Right, so now if you told me a year ago that I would be into Coach as much as I am now, I would have called you a liar. I would have called you a liar. I'm like the gal, the audacity, like, no, but arguably here we are. So I'm just gonna show you the new Tabby Pillow. Hello. You know what? This is kind of my first YouTube video, so we'll see how that goes. But look, when lockdown, I like pretty things and buy pretty things all the time, so why not just unpack them on YouTube? Now, just to caveat, I got the bag from a leading retailer here in the UK, so I didn't get it directly from Coach, but what it did enable me to save £100 on the bag, and your girl likes to be thrifty, so I got mine from Coggles, and so it didn't come in the own Coach bag or packaging. It came in its own, and here it is. So now let's also so what I will say at this point, it comes very well packaged. I don't know how it works. I suppose you take it out of the own brand box and put it in their own. But so here we have the strap, and then here we have the actual bag. So I'm gonna look at portability and just how it wears, all of that later, but let's quickly look at the main bag. And I mean, everyone has been saying it, it is so incredibly soft to the touch. I am a bit surprised, if I'm being quite honest. But yeah, let's actually look a bit more in detail into these. So I've switched to handheld quickly to show you the inside of the bag, because I feel like we're gonna have a better opportunity to look at it. Let's just open it. As I said, the clasp is quite sturdy, quite sturdy. Like you can see here, and then also you can see there. So let's remove some of the packaging. As you can see here, and this is how she looks like on the inside. Oh, I've forgotten a little piece. And as you can see here, we've got the logo and a little plaque. I'm also going to open the middle, and then we've got the little Coach card. I'm quite surprised with how much space there appears to be inside. Really surprised. And yeah, I feel like maybe let's immediately actually do a test and see. Let me actually put my stuff in there and see how much stuff we can fit. So here really is essentially the usual crap that I carry with me. So let's actually immediately put it to the test. Money, we want that to be safe at all times. Put that in here. Keys as well, because girl, if I need to go, I want to go. So that closed perfectly. Actually, let me be a bit more economic with how I do things. Ooh, perfect. Then I've got my cream, a bit of perfume, lip gloss, my phone, and my glasses, because your girl is a bit blonde. And perfect. So sorry, I just closed it without actually showing you, so you can see there's so much more space. I mean, I feel like even like a small little calendar would fit, little address book. So there is quite a lot of space, which is perfect. Really perfect. Like, I'm really happy. So now that we've looked at the inside of the bag and what you can fit in it, let's actually look at the strap game. So it came with two straps. one normal one, like shoulder one, and I'm gonna start with the shoulder one first. So we've got it here, and it comes like that. Again, very sturdy, really, really sturdy, and I'm just gonna attach that to the bag. And yeah, so this is it with the strap, and your girl's a fan. Oh, stand up a little. So this is how she looks if you're just carrying her on your shoulder. Really cute, really matches what I'm wearing as well. This color, I went with this color because I feel like you can wear it with almost anything. Hopefully we're coming out of lockdown and spring is around, the weather's getting nicer, we have more daylight, so just nice, airy, breezy, ivory tanny color, I would say. And she's really pretty. I mean, I am a bit surprised with how much I like her. I'm gonna be honest with you. She's lovely. Lovely. So now let's look at the cross body. So now we have the cross body, and I'm gonna pull from here. Ooh, ooh. Just a bit more careful here. It's quite long. I'm small, so it's gonna be quite interesting with how like where it'll reach, like where the bag will sit on my body basically. Right, so also let me attach these. I got one. Oh, always hit myself. And two. Oh, we also have some packaging here, which, let's see. Oh, there we go. So here we have the long strap, and I'm just gonna put it on my body to see where it reaches, and it does reach to my waist here. So to be fair, that is actually quite, I really like that. Really, really like that. So yeah, I have to say, almost pleasantly surprised with how much I like this bag. 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'm not I can't tell you about specs and dimensions and weight. I'm just showing you on a, is it nice? Does my, and is it pretty? It's all three, so, but yeah, no, she's really nice, and I really understand the hype, and I'm really glad I did it. And obviously the price point, even without any discounts, is very attractive, and I'm glad I followed the hype this once, because she is actually prettier than I thought she would be in this. I'm so glad. This is now such a great, even just transition piece when it, as we're going, you know, spring, summer, and yeah, I'm really impressed with Coach. That's another thing. Obviously, I don't really know much about Coach, and it's more of an American brand, or, you know, and I kind of associated with aunties, and I know my mum's into it. So now I'm also a Coach girl. I really also like the advertising. Yeah, the advertising that Coach is doing, you know, trying to engage a younger audience, and it's working. And continue and bring out pieces like this, because I'm on board. She is so gorgeous. She's so gorgeous that I might even just look at different colors, which is quite new and unheard for me. But yes, this was my quick little unboxing unboxing first impression, because I want to be honest as well. One big thing, and look, I'm gonna be completely honest, the color is quite, you know, it'll attract all the dust, all the dirt, all the food stains and makeup stains and so on. She will, because I know it's me and I know what I'm like. So I'm also going to keep you updated with how she looks like in a month. Let's put it this way. Okay, maybe not a month, because to be fair, I'm not actually going places in this lockdown, but once we're out and about again, I'll actually update you with how she's faring. She's so soft that I feel like, not that she'll get bigger, but she'll get a bit more, you know, after wear, it just gets a bit more nicer, if that makes sense. But yeah, any thoughts, any questions, just let me know below. But I have to say, I am really, really pleased. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you soon. Ciao, guys.